This is the Washtenaw County Emergency Operations Center. We'll be conducting the monthly test of the county's outdoor warning sirens today at 12 noon. Except for scheduled testing, the sirens will be activated for the following emergencies. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning. A severe thunderstorm has been detected with damaging winds of 75 miles per hour or greater. A hazardous materials accident or other local emergency requires immediate protective action by the public, or an attack on the United States is imminent, underway, or has recently occurred. Warning siren activation is a signal to members of the public to immediately go indoors and monitor local emergency alert system media outlets for official information. Again, we'll be conducting the monthly test of the county's outdoor warning sirens at 12 o'clock. KV 984, you'll see clear at 11:47.